Why does your scanner show the P1245 engine code? What does it mean? P1245 is a diagnostic trouble code for alternator load input failed low. The P1245 engine code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module (PCM) has detected a low signal from the vehicle's electrical or charging system. Continued operation may result in battery discharge or stalling. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failing alternator or voltage regulator, corroded or loose battery terminals, damaged wiring or poor grounds, faulty intelligent battery sensor (IBS), weak or defective car battery. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.